110 East Main Street. Help us go from this to this. Here we go. Hey y'all, it's Aisha. Studio announcements. Okay, I have some huge news to share. You ready? HoneyBeLite and HoneyBeNatural are officially in communication about moving into a bigger building right here in Grand Prairie, Texas. We poured so much love into our current space over the last 7 years, and now it's time to expand. Our goal is to grow into a space that can hold not only all of the movement, community, and wellness offerings that we have, but to launch our very own HoneyBeLite Tea Shop. So I need you to be a part of this wonderful movement that promotes living better, healthier, healed lives full of joy. So we are currently fundraising for renovations and closing costs, and every bit of support helps to bring this dream to life. So our last class, unless I hear otherwise, at the current studio will be on October 30th. So come and move with us before we transition into our new home. Now, while we prepare for our next chapter, we'll still host in-person classes at a local Grand Prairie Recreation Center, including Bounce and Burn and Pilates by Candlelight. There will be more details to come. And we're launching something delicious and new, our HoneyBeLite Herbal Refreshers. These will be our signature staple at our upcoming Tea Café, but you can grab them early during classes this month or near the Grand Prairie Farmers Market, starting with our very first pop-up at Main Street Fest on October 24th through the 26th. This is our prime time fundraiser, honey. So come and tour the space and purchase one of two blends, Honeycrisp and Rainbow Carrots, or our sweet and famous Butterfly Pea Flower Lemonade made with our BetterCalm Tea, and you already know and love it from class because it stays out of stock. Now, all aerial classes will be on pause until the new space is ready, but you can still support us by visiting our Amazon wish list at www.honeybenatural.com/move, or you can buy a bag of apples, carrots for the refreshers. Now, all donations will go towards renovation and closing costs. And for my HoneyBeNatural Institute of Liberation and Wellness, we will still have our founding cohort. It's happening in November, from November 8th to the 9th, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. We have student discounts, Klarna, and payment plans available, and all proceeds will go directly towards our building fundraiser. And one last thing, our current studio space will be available soon. So if you've ever dreamed of starting your own studio and have the financial means, I love to pass the torch to someone ready to grow something beautiful here just as I have. So send me a DM, text me if you have my number, or email me at honeybenatural@gmail.com to set up a tour, and I will be more than happy to walk you through this space and help you launch your vision. That was a lot, right? I know it was. So please like and share, spread the word, because it is not every day that Black and brown wellness studios like mine get to expand like this. We're building something sacred for our city, a home for healing, movement, and liberation, and I am extremely nervous, but I'm grateful and over the moon excited about this journey. So let's grow together. Peace, y'all.